Alright, Fetti Nation, we're at Tryst. I got my blue drink off to the side. We're playing Wheel of Fortune, dollar spin. Oh, first spin! First spin Johnson. Big money.
Come on, rub it again, babe. It's wheel time.
Yes, it is. Nice $5 lion pay. Time to spin this. Come on. Let's get that grand. Hit the grand. Ooh, major? Minor? Oh. Ah, 2. Oh, I get to spin again. Alright, come on. Big money, big money. Oh, slow down. Oh, another 2, jeez. Alright. I'll take it. Let's do it again. Better yet, let's get those fever games. Ooh. Come on. Give me the wheel again. We'll play down to 30 and then swap games. Ooh, third reel dirty. Weak line pay. Ooh. Come on, we need that up front. Went past my limit. So we're gonna swap games. Go hot hit, ignite. Dollar spin. Ooh, come on. First spin again. Got it. Alright, we got the Respin Bonus. Come on, we need to land a few. There we go. We just need one more for 22. Come on. Yeah, I got the extra spins. Alright, come on. Yes! Just got the 22. Come on, let's just add a few more. Respin. Ooh. That's alright. I'll take 22. Ooh. Pops with a big buffalo. How much was that line pay? $18.60. Oh, that would have. Alright, we're about $10 up. And we're gonna keep on pushing. Ooh, let's get the bonus. Oh. Come on. Ooh. Buffalo Chief. Out here, Marengo, Illinois, at Tryst with Fetti Nation. Ooh, the machines are hot. Come on, bonus.
Come on, you can do better. You got this.
Ooh, mom with the quick hit. Alright, we'll play down to 35 and swap games. Alright, last spin. Come on. Time to swap. We'll try Ghostbusters. Who are you gonna call? Dollar bet. All bets. Ooh, come on. Where you at? Ooh, thought it was gonna be 5. All right, we'll play it down to like 25. Oh, mom! Quick hit cash, gems, hitting that purple firecrackers. Ooh.
This isn't the one that you want, but we'll take it.
Alright. The line pays in here don't really show. Yikes. Time to swap games again. We'll try a little wolf run. We'll go to $1.60. Ooh, come on. Ooh, just missed it.
I won 50 bonus. $1.55.
Come on, give me the wheel.
You shipped me. $2.75.
Let's get the minor. Come on. Ooh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes!
Wow.
Come on, let's get the mega. Or the grand. Gotta spin it. Come on. Big money. Come on. Big money.
I don't think you've ever seen this.
Major!
We'll do it. Wow.
That's like 2 wild wheels all time.
Wait, how much is the major?
No, it's 3 stacked. Wilds. Come on, big money. We got 10 major fever games.
I didn't win really anything. I didn't have to pay this time.
Come on, up front. Yeah, come on, up front. Ooh, that was a $12 line pay.
3 wild wheels every time.
Yeah, I need them up front.
Yes, yes.
Another $12. Betting a penny. So, come on. Oh, that was weak.
That was weak.
Come on, let's get it.
Disgusting.
Retrig up in here.
That was disgusting.
Another $12. Come on. Full screen wild would be nice. Oh. Alright, we got a few more.
Almost on 40.
Ah,
Come on.
30. Oh, what's happening? Oh, come on.
That's gotta be good. Come on.
I'm not touching it. Oh, 43.60. Let's go. No.
What'd you start with?
$40.
Nice.
All right, come on. Last spin. Big money.
Luck box.
Oh, 640. Oh, it wasn't last spin. Come on.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh.
One more.
Ah, that's all right.
still good.
Almost $20. I'll take it. All bets on Fetti. Hell yeah. 120/20. Ha. Green Vision 2020. All right. Couple backup spins. See if we can still get that minor. Ooh, missed it by 1. Almost got the wheel again. play it on to 120. Ooh, the mega was right there. All right, last spin.
It just
Alright.
did. I just told the pop, kept popping, it did.
Oh, my last spin, and Mom just got this. Match 3. Can she get the grand?
What's that little guy? Oh, I don't want the mini.
Ooh, got a mega. Come on. Okay.
I'll take the fish boy. I got my fish boys!
Let's go.
Look at that.
Fetti Nation. Come gamble. Guess Fetti
like
got that luck.
Yeah.
Alright, I gotta cash out on mine. And we're gonna hit another machine.
Well, I think I'm gonna cash out.
What up, Fetti Nation? We out here with Mom Pops. We hitting the hot machines at Tryst. Let's go. Alright, we gotta play Huff and even more Puff. Let's go. 40 bucks in. Off that 120 we just hit. We'll do $1.60. Come on, let's get those Buzzsaws. Or hard hats. Ooh. Where you at?
Boom. Booster games. That was right. You only got until 30 and
Come on. Ooh, real dirty. That could have been good. Ooh, I just saw the gold Buzzsaw go by. Come on. Buzzsaws.
That was my 10 spinning goal.
Ooh. Ooh, missed it by 1. Come on. Ooh, luck has arrived. Let's go. Let's go for that upgrade. Come on. Get the upgrade or Buzzsaw feature. Ooh, major. Mega hat. Buzzsaw. Ooh. I called for Buzzsaw first. Come on. Major or grand? Yeah. Starting a little strong here. Take it. Getting a lot of straw hats right off the bat. And 1 wood. Come on. Hard hats. We just need to get a couple mansions. And a retrigger. Ooh. Retrig. Come on. Where you at? Alright. Come on. Land some hard hats here. Don't be wasted. Ooh. Come on, last one. We need that retrade. Ooh. That was dead. Alright. Hopefully it's some big numbers. Get lucky, maybe get a coin up in that wood. Come on. Big numbers. Alright. Could be worse. Lucky coin? Oh. It's alright. I'll take 28.50. We're still up. We're up about $7 on this machine, and we're gonna keep on pushing. See if we can get some hard hats now for free games. Ooh, 2 away. Ooh, Buzzsaw again. Ooh, went away. We'll play it down. Ooh, to 25. And then switch games. Oh, one away. Come on, we need that gold Buzzsaw. Oh. Said it right when I went by. Come on. This is last spin. Alright. We'll try a little Wizard of Oz now. Munchkinland. $1.60. Come on. Ooh, one away from the bonus. Bonus. Ooh. Let's get a luck has arrived on this. Ooh, dirty second reel. That's alright. Alright. We'll play down. See if it does anything. Oh, that could be decent. Nice $7 line played. We'll play down to $10. Cash out if we haven't hit anything. Oh, that would have been nice. Bonus? Alright, we got one more spin after this. Alright, time to switch machines. Play some crazy chickens. All bets on Fetti. Go like, comment, share, subscribe. When we hit 25K subs, we're doing some crazy stuff. When we hit 50K, we're doing even crazier. Eventually, I want to try playing slots up in the club. Going to be an interesting video. Only way we can get there is if you guys engage. All bets on Fetti. Alright guys, took the last ticket, stuck it in here, tossed the extra 20, and not what I clicked. We'll try Knight Sailor then. It fit. Maybe not. Interesting machine here. I'm still gonna gamble on it, even though it's not hitting right.
You didn't give me any here.
No, you're right.
Yeah.
Ooh,
You want a 20?
one away.
No, that's fine.
But since it's not hitting right, ooh, dirty.
So I only gave you 20 bucks.
Yeah, no, you didn't. We freaked
Come on,
out.
let's get 9 scatters. Just,
I know this game's stupid.
I'm not betting more than 80 cents on this
And
machine.
like this.
Ooh, come on. Oh, dirty.
We'll play
Dirty trick.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ooh, wild, scattered. Ooh, what is this? Nice. Oh, it's still going up. Nice $12 line pay. All right. Glitch a little bit at first. Points me in the right direction. As long as it keeps paying. We're going to keep on pushing.
That's gotta be good.
We got playing the same thing.
Ooh, is this big? I think this is a big one. 5 of a kind. Ah, only 364. Thought it was going to be bigger.
Nice. I think I'm gonna
Give me a couple of minutes or a night.
I'm gonna go.
Ooh, third reel
Are you
dirty.
playing 5 cents? How do you get on?
Come on, Scatter. Where are you at?
What's going on?
Just go, you have to get out of it. Go to the menu.
Look there.
Nice $4.40 line pay. Ooh. Okay. Scatters are showing up again. Ooh! Almost got full screen queen. Nice $8 line pay.
He's got a $9 line pay.
Nice. Come on, one more.
Come on, Scatter. Give me some fever games. Try $1.20. I lied.
Was it working?
Said I wasn't gonna go over 80, but
Up on this line.
Up on it?
we're messing around here.
I'm not up. I mean, I'm up, but I don't know if I want to keep playing this one. It's something to try.
We'll change the bet. Ooh, fourth real dirty. Needed kings there.
But we'll try it.
That would have been huge or bigger. We'll play down to 25 and then switch games.
Would you do 50 or $1 on Brooks? 50 cents or $1? Okay.
Keeps putting me back at 30. Ooh, dirty second reel.
Your bear, I thought I won something. I probably would have got something if that wasn't there.
Those.
Dirty.
Ropes, okay, so that was a $3.
All right, last spin.
Ropes. Nothing.
All right, we'll check out the other games. See if it
She's being greedy and
glitches.
not giving me any.
Of course. So we'll try this then. 80-cent bet. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I thought it was gonna be a first. First spin. Alright, if we don't hit anything worthwhile by the time we hit 15, then we're just gonna cash out. And then we'll move on to the next place.
Play a game. Oh, what'd I get? 10-20. Woo-hoo.
80 cents, 60 cents.
Yeah.
Come on. Let's get those scatters.
That's $25.
Nice.
I'm only up 20 because I threw. Or up
Not even
5
getting
'cause I
the full
threw another
bet back.
20 in there. Come on.
Heroes of Heat. Come on. Alright, I'll do one last spin.
10's gonna be good.
Ooh, last spin. Oh, that's alright. We're cashing out.
What you got? I want to be something somebody talks about.
Yes.
Come on.
Alright.
Come on!
15:04.
Bye.
All bets on Fetti.
Dirty